Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my first installment for HO scale shelf layout that I designed. This is my second rendition. First one was destroyed last season in a hailstorm, unfortunately. So, I wanted to duplicate the same layout because it was ideal for me. It was long. I was able to use the space for a yard and have all my train cars on my layout. So I've got a full loop, 3 operating lines, and this is what it is. I made the tunnels out of styrofoam. I made that sound wall, or sorry, retaining wall, either or. I made the tunnel, designed and made those little concrete pillars. I've got some weight right now. I had to shave a little bit on the grade there. That was a little off, but it's better. So I used 2 6-foot pieces, and right here this is where they connect, and I have magnets embedded in the styrofoam in between the partitions. I can show you that in another video. But I tell you, for connectivity, it's all about being level and having every track that's connected. So yeah, I ended up with 8 lines in my yard, enough to park 20, 25 cars almost. So we get a full loop. I just can't use the 3rd line right now, but we can run some drains. Oh, wasn't prepared for that. 2nd line. So yeah, 3 controls. 1 for the outer loop, 1 for the yard, operations in the yard, and then 1 to continue on to the rest of the layout when it is done in the future. So yeah, this is what I've got so far. This is about 3 weeks when I got the foam 3 weeks ago. So yeah, I've had some time to go. Got myself a little ravine cut out. It's gonna go to sewage drain. And that's where we'll stop. But anyways, that's my first installment. Hope you enjoyed, and you can look forward to more videos as I go along. I started city planning already. Got some buildings on the street. So next video I'll run some more trains. You can see how far I've come. Thanks for watching. Adios.